What really happens inside your liver when you stop eating for hours? Most people think fasting only helps with weight loss, but your liver goes through a remarkable transformation. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your entire body. It filters your blood, stores energy, produces bile, and performs hundreds of vital functions every day. And yet, about 1 in 3 adults worldwide may have too much fat stored in their liver. A healthy liver contains only a small amount of fat, but when fat builds up, problems begin. Fatty liver often develops quietly, with no clear symptoms in the early stages. For years, doctors struggled to understand why some people developed severe liver damage without drinking alcohol. Eventually, medicine recognized that metabolism, not alcohol alone, could severely damage the liver. Today we know that what you eat and how often you eat plays a major role in liver health. So let's follow your liver, hour by hour, through the fasting process. In the first few hours after your last meal, your liver is still busy processing incoming nutrients. As glucose enters your blood, your pancreas releases insulin to help store that energy.
Your liver takes that glucose and stores it as glycogen, a short-term energy reserve.
Think of glycogen as your liver's emergency fuel supply. At the same time, high insulin keeps fat locked away, preventing your body from burning it. The problem begins when you eat constantly throughout the day. If insulin stays high all the time, fat keeps getting packed into the liver but never gets a chance to leave. That is one of the key ways fatty liver develops over months and years. But once enough time passes, your body begins to shift. As insulin drops, another hormone called glucagon starts to rise. Now your liver starts breaking down glycogen to keep your blood sugar stable. This is how your brain and other organs keep getting energy, even when you are not eating. At this stage, you may feel some hunger, mild irritability, or a drop in concentration.
These early sensations are often temporary signs that your body is recalibrating.
Fasting should feel manageable, not dangerous, and severe symptoms are a sign to stop.
Comes a critical turning point.
Once glycogen runs low, your body needs a new fuel source.
So your body begins mobilizing stored fat.
Your liver transforms those fatty acids into ketones, an alternative fuel.
These ketones can power your brain, your heart, and your muscles. This is the metabolic switch people talk about when fasting starts working. And importantly, some of that fuel can come from the fat stored inside the liver itself.
This is why many people notice their hunger easing and their focus improving later in the fast.
Some even notice a different smell on their breath as ketones increase. At the same time, growth hormone can rise, helping preserve muscle while promoting fat breakdown. Your body is not simply wasting away, it is adapting intelligently. And after this point, a deeper cleanup process starts to become more important.
Your cells begin scanning for old, damaged, or unnecessary components.
They wrap up these damaged materials and send them to cellular recycling centers.
This process is called autophagy, one of the body's most powerful cleanup systems.
Autophagy literally means self-eating, but in reality, it is self-repair through recycling. In the liver, a specialized version of this process helps remove stored fat. This is one of the biological mechanisms through which fasting may help reduce liver fat. Autophagy can also help clear damaged cellular parts that no longer work efficiently. As this cleanup continues, inflammation may begin to decrease. Over time, a liver that was enlarged with fat can begin returning toward a healthier state. Of course, extended fasting is not appropriate for everyone and may require medical supervision. By the later stages of fasting, deeper repair signals become more active. Doctors often look at liver enzymes like ALT and AST to understand how stressed the liver may be. In many studies, consistent fasting has been associated with improvements in these markers. That suggests the liver may be under less metabolic stress.
The liver is unique because it has an extraordinary ability to regenerate.
When the right conditions are present, it can repair itself in ways few other organs can. Fasting may support liver repair through multiple pathways happening at the same time.
As your body becomes more insulin sensitive, it may need less insulin to do the same job.
That makes it easier for stored fat to leave the liver and stay out. Many people notice changes not only in weight, but also around the waist and upper belly. Energy may feel more stable, with fewer crashes during the day. Mental fog can also improve as blood sugar swings become less extreme. Blood tests may begin reflecting these internal improvements.
Many people also notice that their cravings start losing their grip.
But what you eat after the fast still matters. Breaking a fast with a massive processed meal can push the liver right back into overload. After fasting, your liver will first prioritize restoring glycogen. That is why breaking your fast with a moderate, balanced meal is often a smarter approach. Over time, your appetite signals may become more stable and easier to manage.
So here is the big picture of what your liver goes through during a fast.
First, it processes and stores energy from your last meal. Next, it releases stored glycogen to keep your system running.
Then it switches toward burning fat and making ketones.
After that, deeper cellular cleanup starts to become more important.
Later, repair and healing signals may become even more active.
These are not artificial hacks. They are ancient survival systems built into human biology.
Fasting simply gives those natural mechanisms a chance to work again.
But fasting is not magic. It works best as part of a larger, healthy lifestyle. Sleep still matters. Exercise still matters. Food quality still matters. Pushing too hard is not the goal. Better health is.
Your liver is incredibly intelligent and remarkably resilient.
You do not need gimmicks to support it. You need the right biological conditions. No expensive shortcut can replace the power of the body's own repair systems. Sometimes the most powerful intervention is simply giving your liver a break.
For many people, even simple fasting routines can start making a difference over time.
The key is consistency, not perfection. Benefits usually build over weeks, not in a single day.
And as always, personal health conditions should guide whether fasting is appropriate for you. If you have diabetes, take medication, or have a history of medical complications, speak with a professional first.
Done wisely, fasting can become a practical tool rather than an extreme experiment.
When fasting is paired with good habits, the liver may finally get the opportunity to recover. That means better processing, better filtering, and better metabolic balance. A healthier liver supports nearly every system connected to energy and metabolism. And that is why fasting has become such a powerful area of metabolic research. Store, release, burn, clean, repair. That is the journey. From glycogen to ketones to autophagy, your liver adapts step by step. It has been working for you every single day, whether you notice it or not. Sometimes healing begins with the simple decision not to eat again for a while. Your body already knows what to do. It just needs the opportunity. If you understand the process, you can work with your biology instead of against it. And that may be one of the simplest ways to support your liver naturally. Your liver has incredible repair potential. Sometimes, fasting is the pause that helps unlock it.